Welcome to the best QuickBooks desktop tutorial in the entire world. This free playlist course right here on YouTube is going to teach you everything you need to know about every version of QuickBooks Desktop. That's right, every version, including Enterprise Solutions and the Accountant's Edition. This special desktop course has already helped millions of people start as an absolute beginner and finish as an absolute expert in every version of QuickBooks Desktop. You see, QuickBooks Desktop has not changed in over a decade, possibly over 2 decades. It really always looks and behaves the same. And every single version of QuickBooks Desktop, including Enterprise Solutions or the Accountant's Edition, will all look at least 90 to 95% the same. And everything that you will learn here will apply to every version of QuickBooks Desktop. All you have to do is follow along step by step each day. And if you watch all the video chapters in proper order, you are guaranteed to be an expert in every version of QuickBooks Desktop and Enterprise Solutions. Now, the video that follows this one in the playlist is the main video. And if you follow every chapter in that video in proper order, you will be an expert by the time you finish. And all the videos that follow that one in the playlist all show the advanced features and go into advanced details about each of the different specialty features that QuickBooks Desktop offers, like the Accounts Receivable module or the Accounts Payable module, or even dealing with banking situations. So you will have everything you need that is unique to any version of QuickBooks Desktop if you patiently watch this video tutorial, and this entire playlist course is absolutely free. And if that's not enough, you do have the benefit of a teacher because you can ask me a question by leaving it in the comments section of any of the videos in the playlist, and I'll get back to you right away and do my best to help you. So without further delay, I proudly present the best QuickBooks Desktop tutorial in the entire world.